So once again, welcome to Kami Academy. So if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start. क्या आपके बहन भाई हैं? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? किसके साथ रहते हो? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? आपका पसंदीदा खाना कौन सा है? What's your favorite food? What is your favorite food? आप कहाँ पढ़ते हो? Where do you Where do you study? Where do you study? क्यों जाना है? Why to go? Why to go? वो कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? क्या ये मुमकिन है? Is it possible? Is it possible? मैं कौन हूँ? Whom am I? Whom am I? वो तुम्हारा क्या लगता है? Who is he to you? Who is he to you? कहाँ सोना है? Where to sleep? क्या आप वहाँ हैं? Are you there? किसको भेजना है? Whom to send? ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? वहाँ कौन है? Who's there? Who is there? क्या ये तुम हो? Is it you? Is it you? क्या मैं ये यूज़ कर सकता हूँ? Can I use it? Can I use it? कैसे शुरू करना है? How to start? क्या आप सीख रहे हैं? Are you learning? Are you learning? क्या आप फ़ोन पे बात करते हैं? Do you talk on phone? Do you talk on phone? So follow for more videos.